Welcome to Explore the World. In today's video, we are diving into the charming city of Gjirokaster, Albania, also known as the City of Stone. Join us as we uncover the 7 best things to do in this historic town, from exploring ancient castles and vibrant bazaars to tasting authentic Albanian cuisine. Watch till the end for insider tips on making the most of your visit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures around the globe. Let's explore Gjirokaster together. Nestled in the mountains of southern Albania, Gjirokaster is a town brimming with history, charm, and architectural marvels. Often referred to as the City of Stone due to its stone-paved streets and traditional stone houses, Gjirokaster is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a glimpse into Albania's rich past. Known for its well-preserved Ottoman architecture and historic monuments, this town is not only a cultural treasure but also an emerging travel destination for those seeking authentic Albanian experiences. 1. Visit the iconic Gjirokaster Castle perched on a hill overlooking the town. Gjirokaster Castle is one of the most significant landmarks in Albania. Built in the 12th century and expanded during Ottoman rule, the castle offers a fascinating journey through Albania's history. Inside, visitors can explore the Armory Museum, housing relics from various conflicts, and the Clock Tower, a prominent feature visible from across the town. The castle also hosts the Gjirokaster Folk Festival, which attracts performers from all over Albania and beyond, making it a hub for cultural expression. 2. Explore the Ethnographic Museum. Enver Hoxha's birthplace, the Ethnographic Museum is a must-visit for those interested in understanding traditional Albanian culture. Once the childhood home of Enver Hoxha, Albania's former communist leader, the museum now showcases artifacts and exhibits that depict Albanian life in the 19th and 20th centuries. Visitors can explore rooms furnished in the Ottoman style, with intricate wooden ceilings and traditional textiles that provide a window into the lifestyle of past generations. 3. Wander the Old Bazaar. The Old Bazaar in Gjirokaster is a lively marketplace filled with quaint shops, artisan stalls, and cozy cafes. Walking along its cobblestone streets, you'll find a mix of handcrafted items, from woven rugs and silver jewelry to locally produced olive oil and textiles. The bazaar has been a commercial hub since the Ottoman era, and it retains its historic charm and vibrant energy. Don't forget to engage in a bit of friendly bargaining for the best prices on unique souvenirs. 4. Discover Skenduli House. Skenduli House is an excellent example of Ottoman-era residential architecture. Built in the early 18th century, it has been carefully restored to preserve its original charm. Guided tours provide insights into the architectural details and cultural significance of the house, which boasts decorated ceilings, wood-paneled rooms, and authentic 18th century furnishings. The tour offers a glimpse into the daily lives of Gjirokaster's wealthier families during Ottoman rule. 5. Hike in the breathtaking Drino Valley. For nature lovers, Drino Valley offers numerous hiking opportunities with trails that range from easy walks to challenging climbs. This region is known for its diverse flora and fauna, as well as its stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Whether you're an avid hiker or a casual stroller, exploring the Drino Valley will provide a refreshing escape into nature. 6. Taste authentic Albanian cuisine. Albanian cuisine is a delightful blend of Mediterranean flavors, with unique dishes that reflect the country's diverse cultural influences. In Gjirokaster, you'll find a variety of traditional foods to savor, including bajrek, savory pastry, kofte, meatballs, and baklava, a sweet pastry. For a truly local experience, try sipping on raki, a traditional Albanian spirit, at one of the town's family-run restaurants. 7. Attend local festivals and events. Gjirokaster hosts several festivals throughout the year, making it an exciting place to visit no matter the season. The Gjirokaster Folk Festival is one of the most prominent events, featuring traditional Albanian music, dance, and costumes. Other events, such as the local crafts festival, celebrate the town's artisanal heritage. These festivals offer visitors a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in the local culture and connect with the people of Gjirokaster. Practical tips for visiting Gjirokaster. Best time to visit. The spring and autumn months are ideal for visiting Gjirokaster, as the weather is pleasant and there are fewer tourists. Accommodation. Gjirokaster offers a range of accommodation options, from charming guest houses to boutique hotels. Getting around. While Gjirokaster is small enough to explore on foot, taxis and local buses are available for trips to nearby areas. Gjirokaster is a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. From exploring ancient castles to tasting authentic Albanian cuisine, the town offers countless ways to experience the essence of Albania. A trip to Gjirokaster is more than a vacation, it's an opportunity to step back in time and immerse yourself in a place where history lives on in every street and building. As we wrap up our journey through the enchanting city of Gjirokaster, Albania, we hope you've enjoyed exploring its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and unique culture with us. From the towering Gjirokaster castle to the bustling old bazaar, this hidden gem truly has something special for every traveler. If you're planning a visit, remember that each corner of Gjirokaster holds a story waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Explore the World, for more amazing travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.